Today's video, we will be looking at how to record your screen on an iPhone. And in order to record your screen, this is the screen I will be using. In order to record your screen, you're just going to swipe down. And when you swipe down, you can see some features beneath this. Okay, this features over here. It's like a circle with a red dot. Currently, I am recording my screen. So if I press on this, it's going to stop recording. And I am recording the audio as well. So in case you are done recording and everything, you're just going to click on it and it will stop recording. So let's give that a try. After you are done recording, it will be saved to your photos. So you just navigate to your photos and then you check over there and you see your recording. In case you want to see the voice recording that you did in accordance with the video, you use the search button and search for voice memos. Then you click on voice memos. So when you click on voice memos, you're going to see all your recordings over here. Okay, you see all the recordings that you did over here. Okay, so the video will be separated from the recording, but then you can edit it and then bring it all together. If you find this video helpful, do what to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you again